This quantum transformation is to bring about dynamic changes in your brain, nervous system, energy channels, and pure energy, the life force in you. The life force in you wants to flow uninterruptedly throughout your energy system, and that is possible only through relaxation and by allowing the universal forces to flow in you. And with these forces, you need to just look at me once. You need to keep your hands like this. Just look at me once. You hold your hands like this, both the hands, and put it on your navel like this. Put it on your navel. So for the next 15 minutes, you will be just listening to me, and slowly I am going to transform you. After this 15 minutes, you don't get up immediately. You just need to be in this position and keep integrating the energies as I have infused my energy in your energy channels. So for the next 20-30 minutes, until and unless you feel like getting up, don't get up, and try to integrate this energy by allowing things to happen in you. Most of the energy in your body will unblock, and it will make your body shake a bit or move a bit. Allow that to happen. That is positive sign that energy has worked in you. Also during this 15-minute session, many transformation may happen in you on the mental level, energetic level, emotional level. Allow that to happen. If you feel like crying, you can cry. If you feel like laughing, you can do that. Whatever changes are happening in your body, allow it to happen. This is because I am extremely powerful, and I have the power to move energies in your human system and also change your electromagnetic waves and everything that you are in existence. My energies work through the quantum field, and I can connect to your energies, and I read your energies. I can change everything in you during my transformation session. So you don't need to hold anything. Allow everything to happen. That is the best way to process this energy. And if you feel sleepy, you allow yourself to go into that sleep mode. You allow yourself to go into the trance mode, and you will feel that no psychedelics is required when you are taking my energy transmission sessions. This means that I can change your brain waves. I can change the way you function in life through my powers, and your ability and receptivity plays the major role. So far you are doing great, and I am going to take you to the next level. Just keep doing nothing, and I am going to shift you to a different dimension of life. You don't know yourself as who you are. You are the intelligence behind this operation of your body, mind, and spirit. You are pure consciousness. When you realize that you are pure consciousness, your life is totally different. When the individual consciousness in you leads this life, then life is totally different phenomena. But when you are identified with the mind, the beliefs, the conditioning, the ego, and the personality that you have created, you are not Craig from the universal energy perspective. You are just field of electromagnetic energy which is compressed as a human organism. If you go into the quantum reality, you are just nothing. There is empty space everywhere, and you are just field compressed as cells, tissues, organs, organ system. So there is no personality and ego in this entire energy body. And when you operate from the quantum, when you operate from the highest reality, you are limitless. You are unlimited. You can do anything, you can pursue anything, you can be anything and take any actions which is freeing in nature. You don't have to remain confined to the same house. You don't have to remain confined to the same city. You can travel across the world. You can do different things. You can express as you feel. And all this is possible because of this transformation that you are going through. Until and unless you realize yourself as pure consciousness, your mind and the personality and the ego that you are made of will keep you limited to a particular profession, particular business, and it will keep you limited in the roles that you play in life. You may be a husband, you may be a partner, you may be a son, or you may be a father. All these roles that you play are nothing but the characters that you play in a movie. You are the actor who can play different roles, and you don't have to behave like the characters. But in the present matrix in which you are stuck, in that matrix the characters become the expression of the human organism, which is not true. The ant, the organisms other than human beings don't live life like this. They are free. The eagle is free, the dog is free, the lion is free, the ant is free. All the organisms on earth live more free life because they are created by the formless energy to operate as the form, do their life cycle, complete their life cycle, and just get dissolved again. But due to the human construct, the human mind, you feel that you are somebody. You are actually nothingness. I am taking you to the state of nothingness where nothing exists. You are simply invisible energy with the intelligence of the universe, and when you get access to that intelligence, life becomes easy, life becomes flow. So this is your first energy transmission session in which I am taking you to the highest reality first on the glimpse level. But to remain permanently in that state, you have to take my multiple sessions time and again, and you have to start living your life externally in the same order. I will change your brain waves to the extent you go to the gamma frequency, the flow frequency, where everything is dissolved. There is no time, distance and space. In the present, there is only flow frequency where life flows from this moment to the next moment and to the next moment. Whatever energy you radiate with in this moment is the highest radiating frequency of the universe. You are operating through the cosmic universal frequency of the universe through which everything is happening. In the quantum, everything exists here and now. Everything, there is no past, no present, no future. And you can create any reality from the possibilities that you hold as a potential seed. As a human organism, you are born for a big purpose. You are not born to consume and to die the death of a normal human being. You are born with so much of potential that you need to focus on your life. Maybe you are entangled in many smaller things which you were not meant to be, and maybe you have assumed that the character's life in the movie is your actor's life. It is not that way. You are just playing the character in the movie, and you just need to get free from that energy in a very dynamic way. And for that, quantum transformation is. This means time and again I will bring to you to your center, from where you will be able to see the witness state, how things are, how you are stuck in your mind, how thoughts come to you, and how your desires drive you. When you become free of your desires, then you become tuned to the universal energy which guides you towards your life purpose. You are not born to do smaller things. This means that you are not born to be mediocre. You are born to go beyond your limitations. You are born to invent something, and from that invention transform the lives of many people. This is your reading from the quantum, that you have the potential to change the way things happen. A particular problem that you have faced for years may become your expression if you find a solution for that. There are so many youth who are suffering due to not finding their life purpose, and if you get access to your life purpose, maybe you will be the pioneer in transforming lives of other people who are aimless and goalless in this vast world and this unpredictable universe. This means that if you know the way, you will show the way. You are meant to become the one who is a leader and who is going to transform the lives of many people. But all this transformation is not possible in you with your current state of mind, with your current state of blockages. You have to purify yourself time and again to become nothing. I am going to dismantle you each time you come to me, and I am going to give birth to the new you that is lying as a potential in you. And this transformation will automatically lead you to your life purpose. You will get access to your life purpose. This session is all about opening your solar plexus, and opening your solar plexus means getting access to your life purpose. After this session, a shift is definitely going to happen to you, that you will start questioning everything that you have not questioned so far and have kept it in the background. From today, this session will lead you to an awakening which will lead you to question everything that exists and that everything you have done so far. Many of your past traumas you have suppressed in the name of becoming a man. You don't need to become a man and suppress the trauma that you have suffered on the way. You don't have to become the person who is a people pleaser. You don't have to abide by anything. This is what the universe in you wants, and that is what the purpose of this entire journey is. You are in the evolutionary journey, and in the evolutionary journey, the spirit in you, which is called Kundalini energy, wants to transform you. It has given you many signals in the past that get transformed, take actions for your life, become selfish, but you have never been able to do that. You were always looking after maybe your parents, maybe your family in any form, your spouse, children. If you are not married, then your friends. But whatever be the relationship that you have shared so far, but all those have led to your attention outside. I am bringing your attention to your life, and when you pay attention to your life, you will see the meaninglessness of the matrix. You will see the meaninglessness how the world operates, and you will see that even the richest person cannot be happy if the person has no access to the life force in them. And day by day you are getting old, you are getting and losing your vital energy, and you are losing hope in life. This should not happen. Even if you do the best of the best business, if you are successful in life in all corners of our life, but inside something is breaking every day, something is not finding its meaning every day, and that is what you are missing. After today's session, you will go through an awakening of the soul. You will go through an awakening in which you will you will ask question to yourself, what is next? What is next that I want to focus on? And that transformation will happen in a very dynamic way, which will change everything. From today onwards, there will be a great shift in your life, which will make you question the vital questions of life. Who are you? What are you doing here? What is your purpose? And how you are going to bring transformation in your life to transform at least one life, and that is your life. You have the power and the potential to transform your life, and if you don't do that, then the soul will keep wandering for lives. It will keep taking different births, and it will continue the same old cycle of birth and death. You want to bring a shift in this cycle. You want to stop this cycle of birth and death. You want to bring a change in your life, and from that change, you want to change the lives of many who are suffering like you, who have suppressed everything of their traumatic life in the name of becoming a man. You don't need to become perfect as a man. Imperfection is the flow of life, and when we flow through this imperfection, then the changes happen in you. I can see that there is so much of movement of energy in your system, And for that, you just need to process this energy. As I said, I am extremely powerful. Things will happen very fast. After this session, the session is almost over. After this session, you just keep processing this energy in lying down position. Whenever you feel that you need to come out of this state, you can go and wash your face or take a bath, and just process this energy by speaking less, communicating less with the world. Keep all the attention to yourself. And in the next 24 hours or 48 hours, if you feel that this was extremely transformative, then anytime you can take the next session, and that session will be mostly for a coaching purpose, so that I can guide you well and let you know what could be your next process of transformation, how it lead to. So all this I have worked very powerfully on your brain, nervous system, your entire existence. I have changed everything in you, and everything has happened successfully. So you don't need to respond to me. Just be in this state, keep processing energy, and I am there as the new light in your life. Bye bye.